Hello everyone, put the clay on the white sheet like this in the same manner as shown in the video. To make the feathers of the peacock, you can use different colors for it. Now we will make the body of the peacock as shown in the video. For that, we will take a blue color clay and press it like this. Make its neck, now stick its eyes, beak and draw its legs and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw different shapes on it like this. To make the ice cream, draw a triangle, square and circle using the different color markers as shown in the video. Now make it stick and your ice creams are ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to decorate it using the clay like this. Put the clay and spread it using the fingers. Draw different patterns on it to make it look attractive like this. And your ice creams are almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. For that, you have to follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, take a white sheet like this and put the red color clay and spread it using the fingers like this. So spread it in the same manner as shown in the video. So here we are making a cloud. So use different colors to make its hat like this. After that, we will draw its face. Now draw its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth. After that, you can make its body if you want, or you just fill the colors around it like this and your cloud will be ready. Next, take a white sheet and put the clay on it like this. Take small pieces of the clay and press it on the white sheet using the fingers as shown in the video. So here we are making the candies. So after pressing the clay, take a marker and draw the lines around the candies like this. You can draw different shapes if you want. Decorate it as per your choice and your candies are ready. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and draw the line on it like this using a yellow color. Now fill it. Now put some brown color shades over it. Now on the sides, fill yellow and green color like this. Now using brown color, we will draw the branches of the tree as shown in the video. Draw its branches carefully and draw many trees. Now using red color, put the dots to make the leaves and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful sceneries. So using the yellow and green color, give the ground shade. Now we will make the house on it like this. To make the mountains, we will draw the lines using a tiered paper like this. Now spread it using the tissue paper. Now we will put some dots around it to make the tree. And then draw the path using a brown color. Make some birds on the sky and it's ready. Next, we will take a blue color and draw the line like this. Now, to make the mountains, sprinkle some pencil dust and then dab it to make the mountains as shown in the video. Now, color the deep blue color in the water like this. Using brown color, draw the branches of the tree and the leaves using green color like this. Make the birds on the sky flying like this. Now, your painting is ready. Next, we are taking a green color and draw the shape in the white sheet. Now using the earbuds, spread it like this. Now using light green color, follow the same procedure. Now draw the stems of the leaves like this and your painting is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.